Dear listener, this is Wasim from ittechbd.com. Today I am going to show you how to auto-run ORDS from Windows services in FX 20.2 using nssm. How to download nssm? Under description I will give you link. Now I am going to show you how to download nssm. Open your browser. Here write nssm download, this one, then click this link. nssm means the non-sucking service manager. Latest release, this one 2.24, this one, click, then start download. See, already download. Start small file, finish, then open. This one, extract, right click, then click extract file, then click OK, then open this one, again click, then copy all file. We need to create a folder, and this folder inside we will paste this one in C drive. Open C drive, then here create a folder, folder name, write folder name. I write service name, service file, if any file. Then this one inside I paste all nssm file. Now step 1, command for autorun ORDS. This is login URL. We check now. You see, open your browser, paste, enter. See, not come. Without start ORDS command you cannot access FX. So this command for autorun FX echo @echo of, then cd space, this is ORDS location path, installation directory Oracle F ORDS, this location. Then you see the same location, this one, write java space dash jar space ords.war, this one, then pause. So every time you start, then run. If you mistakenly close, then you cannot work. That's why need make service. This is service name autorun ORDS. So now I create a batch file. This code copy, under description I will give you text file, inside paste, then save, then write name, service name, ORDS autorun ords.bat, means base file. This one copy, then you rename this one, right click, rename, then select all, then paste here, then yes, then now base file created. Now you double click, then start your ord, then you can log in FX 20.2. Now starting our ORDS. Oracle REST data service initialized, that means ORDS started. Now you refresh, see, come login page. Now you can access FX. So every time you start here, then you minimize here. If you mistakenly close this one, then you cannot work effects. So that's why we need to make a service. AutoRun ORDS from service, then you not come in desktop. So go to service, right here, service, then click, double click, then all services showing here. See here, no or any service. Now see auto time, this one Windows by default. We need to create AutoRun ORDS. This one close. Then you see again stop your work. So now we need to copy this folder and paste to your ORDS directory inside. Oracle F ORDS, insert here, paste this one. Then you need to go to text pad here. Now we need to nssm folder. We paste cdev inside service file. This one service file here, Windows 64-bit and 32-bit. My Windows is 64-bit. I open this one. Then you select this URL and write cmd. Here write cmd, then press enter, then open automatic URL. Then here you write nssm nssm.exe, press right install, and press enter. Here application path, we already copy paste AutoRun ORDS inside ORDS directory, C drive, Oracle F ORDS, this one. This link we need to give here, click, then go to here showing, but again go to C, then Oracle, then click F, then no this one, ORDS, this one ORDS, then select, then click open, then come URL. Here write none, argument none, then service name I write AutoRun ORDS. You can write any name, copy, then paste here, then click install service, then install successfully, install it, okay. Then refresh, see, come AutoRun ORDS, then you refresh this one. Not, you cannot access effects because not yet we start service, that's why not come login page. You right click ORDS, this click need start, right click, then click properties, then here select automatic, then here click automatic, then click start. Now starting our ORDS services, see, come, stop, pause, restart. Click apply, then click OK. Now running. Again go to browser, then refresh. See, login page come. That's mean our ORDS run from Windows services. Now you login and test perfectly you login or not. Admin username, same password before, like this one copy, then again paste, then sign in. Okay. How can create workspace? Later I will show you step by step. Now finish AutoRun ORDS from Windows services. This one log out. Now we need to step 1 finish, step 2. Now we need to delete service. If you think sometime your service ORDS not work goodly from Windows services, then you need to delete. How can you delete? Then again you create, then you can perfectly work and run your ORDS, and you can access FX 20.2. So this command for delete ORDS service from Windows services. Now I am going to show you command for delete ORDS services. So this command, under this command, this delete ORDS service, by this command sc space delete space, then this is service name ORDS. This one we need to delete. So you copy this command, under description I will give, copy, then go to run cmd, then click OK, then paste here, then paste sc delete space comma edit comma, then AutoRun ORDS, then press C, delete service success. So now our ORDS services deleted from Windows services. Refresh. This one disabled but not removed from here. This one deleted but here showing disabled. That means this one deleted. You need to restart your computer. Then you cannot find this one. You need to restart your computer. Then you remove services from Windows service list. So like this way you can delete your services. So if you feel any problem, please comment me. I will try to solve your problem. If you benefited from this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.